Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC or from YouTube desktop. First thing you need to do after you've selected the channel you want to upload the short to, go ahead to the camera icon with a plus in it on the top right corner and then click upload video. After that, you need to select the video file you want to upload to your channel. After selecting the file, go to the prompt will tell you to choose the description and title for the video, thumbnails, and which playlist you want to add this video. When you're done setting up those settings, don't forget to choose whether it's made for kids or not before you hit next. Next, choose to add subtitles or add an end to screen or add cards. Click on next and then check this will check for the copyright of the sounds. And next, choose whether to publish your video right now publicly or private, or you can also schedule the time video will be automatically posted. Wait for the upload process to finish, and there you go. Your short is successfully uploaded to your YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you a lot.